Hi everyone. The title of our presentation is IMDb Movie Analysis. Following will be our agenda. First we will look project description, approach, tech stacks used, insights, and then we will look results. Following is our project description. Dharma Production is facing losses due to flop of last few movies. They have usually released movies for Indian audience, but their next project they are planning to release a movie for a global audience, thus helping the company to plan their every move analytically based on data, generating meaningful insights from the IMDb dataset that can help them to make movies that appeal to both Indian and global audience while minimizing the risk of losses. Following is approach, downloaded and imported the dataset in Excel, performed data clearing, removing missing and invalid rows and handling outliers, use pivot table and Excel chart to draw graphs and finding insights, and finally drawn conclusion from insights and made recommendations. We have used 5 wise approach to know the root cause of cause. So following is the root cause analysis. We asked series of questions. Why last few movies flopped? Because they failed to impress both critics and audience. Why they failed to impress? Because they gave the audience something that they couldn't be satisfied with. Why they are not able to satisfy the audience? Because of miscasting of actors and directors as well as poor selection of genre and storyline. Why they miscasted and selected poor story? Because they didn't use data driven decision making to track audience preference and trends in the film industry. Following is the impacts that will this project will make. Meaningful insights from data analysis will help in tracking audience preferences and identifying target audience, trends in film industry, trending genres and story, determining budget and minimizing the risk of losses. Tech stack used, we used Microsoft Excel as it has many powerful tools like data visualization that can help analyze and understand data better, and also features like chart, graph, pivot table, and formatting options. This was the our raw data, and in which we have seen about 28 columns were there. So moved with data cleaning, I removed the redundant columns, and finally we have only 13 columns left. I have created profit column from budget and gross columns and move on to data cleaning. We handled missing values as director name have 2% missing values, gross have 17%, budget have 9%. We imputed unknown value as a string in missing values of director name, and all other numerical values with missing values were left as it is, as they will not create any problem in aggregation. Then we move on to handling outliers, as many numerical values have outliers like profit, gross, and budget. So we left them as it is, as we will keep in while analysis we will keep in mind that we have outliers, so we will using median or quantile values for analysis instead of average. And finally we have removed the invalid values by using remove use functions like a replace function we have used, and removed invalid values which were present in the title, movie title name and director names. And then further we move to our visualizations. Finally cleaning, after cleaning we have 4919 rows and 13 columns. And then we further move to cleaning process, and after cleaning we move to then visualizations. We created visualizations like profit and budget, top 250 IMDb movies. So we have put all the insights here. So there is no strong correlation between budget and profit, except that the huge loss making movies are very high budget movies. We can see here the loss making movies are very high budget movies, and there is no correlation in budget and profit. Top 10 movies by profit. Avatar is most profitable movie. Avatar is most profitable movie followed by Jurassic World, which are very high budget movies. Star Wars and ET Extraterrestrials are high profit making movie despite being quite low budget. The Shawshank Redemption is the highest rated movie around the globe, whereas Airlift is the highest rated Indian movie among top 250 IMDb rating movies. We have calculated top 250 rated movies, and we have used only that movies for calculation which have votes user votes greater than 25,000, and we have from that 250 top 250 movies we have extracted the top 10 Indian movies. These are the Indian movies, top 10 Indian movies, in which there is Live, Rang De Basanti, etc. Sergio Leone and Christopher Nolan are the top two directors in the world. These are the names of top 10 directors calculated by sorting their name by mean of IMDb score of those directors with movies greater than 3 in top 250 IMDb movies and number of voted users greater than 25,000. Biography is the genre with highest average IMDb ratings around the globe. Top 10 genres by average IMDb scores. Biography, history, war, drama, etc. These are the top 10 genres. These are the names of top 10 genres calculated by sorting their name by mean of IMDb score of those movies which has number of voted users greater than 25,000. Leonardo DiCaprio is the most favorite actor among the critics as well as the audience. These top actors are ranked by mean of number of critic reviews and user reviews. Only those movies of actors are taken in consideration for mean review calculation in which they are in lead role. Users vote count increased from 10,000 in 1910s to 180 million in 2000s. Users vote in each decade from 1910s to 2010s. Sum of users vote increased exponential to all-time high in 2000. Bars are calculated by taking sum of total votes for users for all movies in each decade. We can see there is exponential growth in the bars as number of voters voted in each decade are increasing, and there is an all-time high in 2000. So following are the conclusions and recommendations for the company. Most profitable movie are in the range of 100 million US dollar to 300 million US dollars. The company can keep their budget between this range to minimize the risk of loss. Shawshank Redemption, followed by The Godfather and The Dark Knight, are the highest IMDb rated movies around the world. The company can take inspirations from the plot of these movies. Sergio Leone, Christopher Nolan, and Hayao Miyazaki are the top 3 directors with highest mean IMDb rating movies in the world. The company can work in collaboration with these directors. Biography, history, and war are the top 3 genres with highest mean IMDb rating movies in the world. The company can choose genre for their next movies from these genres. Leonardo DiCaprio is the most favorite actor among the critics as well as the audience around the world. The company can cast him or can add a cameo role in the movie to create hype among the fans for the movie. Thank you.